Through the incorporation of aspects such as elegance, innovation, and the capability to travel off-road, it is a revolutionary vehicle that reimagines the standards of mobile living. The housing business is undergoing a revolution, and the Audi Motorhome 2026 is a vehicle that reflects this revolution. Although certain technical particulars have not been officially released, the information that is now accessible implies that the automobile will mix the excellent design of Audi with cutting-edge technologies. This is despite the fact that certain technical particulars have not been formally published. This concept highlights a design philosophy that lays an emphasis on sleek, aerodynamic lines while still placing an emphasis on elegance and functionality. This philosophy is highlighted in this concept. It is intended that the interior will be constructed with materials of a high quality, a kitchen that is fully furnished, nice sleeping areas, and a bathroom that is up to date. These are the features that will be included in the interior. Integration of technology. It is anticipated that the automobile will be supplied with cutting-edge information and entertainment systems, maybe with assistants that are powered by artificial intelligence, as well as cutting-edge networking options. This upcoming automotive will also be equipped with cutting-edge networking possibilities. Evaluation of engineering and performance based on statistical analysis. In spite of the fact that it has not been established beyond a reasonable doubt, it is conceivable that the RV would be powered by either a hybrid or an all-electric configuration. Audi is committed to promoting environmental sustainability, and this would be in line with that objective. To assure the highest possible level of performance in a wide variety of terrains, it is possible that Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system will be incorporated into the drivetrain. This would be done in order to guarantee the best possible performance, the responsibility to protect the environment, and the innovation of new procedures. Environmentally friendly components. A complete use of materials that are both environmentally friendly and recyclable across the entirety of the structure, including both the interior and exterior. Energy efficiency refers to the practice of incorporating solar panels and appliances that are energy efficient in order to lessen the impact that an individual has on the environment.